Hi, we all live on Earth, but do we really know anything about it? Watch, it will be interesting.
The planet we live on seems thoroughly explored. Maps are precise, satellites stream data in real time, and schools tell us everything from the crust to the atmosphere. But the truth is, Earth is full of mysteries most people never even imagine. You think you know it? Then listen carefully, because after this video, you might never look at our world the same way again. 1. The planet breathes. Literally. In the mountains of Canada, scientists noticed something strange. The ground rises and falls every few seconds, as if the planet were taking a slow breath. This isn't a metaphor. Deep beneath the surface, massive layers of rock shift and move, creating a pulsing rhythm. The planet is alive, but not like an organism. It moves to beats shaped by millions of years of tectonic activity. 2. The quietest place on Earth. There's a place where sound is so faint you can hear your own heartbeat. It's an anechoic chamber in Minneapolis. Few people can last more than 30 minutes inside. The silence becomes unbearable, forcing the brain to invent noises. Ironically, one of the scariest places on Earth isn't a storm or a volcano. It's pure silence. 3. Water older than the sun. Every sip of water you drink is likely older than the sun itself. Scientists have discovered that part of Earth's water formed in interstellar clouds long before our solar system even existed. In other words, the molecules in your glass could be more than 4.5 billion years old. Amazing, isn't it? 4. A planet with an iron heart. Deep below us lies a gigantic core of iron and nickel, nearly as hot as the sun. Even more astonishing, the inner core rotates slightly faster than the rest of the planet. That motion generates Earth's magnetic field, our shield against deadly cosmic radiation. In a way, Earth fights for our survival every second. 5. Earth isn't perfectly round. We learned in school that Earth is a sphere, but if you could see it without water, you'd discover an uneven, lumpy shape. Because of its rotation, Earth is flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator. In some areas, surface elevation differs by more than 10 kilometers. Our home isn't a perfect globe. It's a living, moving, slightly squashed body. 6. The ocean is less explored than the moon. Humanity knows the moon's surface in incredible detail, but less than 10% of our own oceans have been mapped. Earth's depths are another world, full of bizarre life adapted to eternal darkness. Each deep-sea dive could reveal a new species or a secret of life unlike anything we've ever seen. 7. The singing sands. Some deserts produce a deep, almost musical hum. These singing dunes create sound through millions of grains of sand rubbing together. When you stand nearby, it feels as though the air vibrates with ancient voices. Centuries ago, travelers believed the sands were literally speaking, and when you hear that haunting echo, it's easy to understand why. 8. The coldest place on Earth isn't what you think. Most people assume it's Antarctica, and they're partly right, but the lowest temperatures ever recorded didn't occur on the surface. They were found deep in tiny cracks of ice where heat escapes straight into space through thin layers of atmosphere. There, the temperature drops to minus 98 degrees Celsius, so cold that carbon dioxide can crystallize. 9. The planet's memory. Earth remembers, not in a human sense, but through its landscapes. Every tree, every lake, every layer of ice holds traces of time. Ice cores taken from Antarctica contain bubbles of air that are millions of years old. When scientists study them, it's as if they're breathing the past, speaking with an Earth that no longer exists. 10. Maybe the planet knows more about us than we do about it. It's hard to believe, but the movement of tectonic plates, climate cycles, and even animal migrations are deeply interconnected. Earth isn't just a rock spinning in space. It's a complex system that adapts, reacts, and heals itself. When we burn forests or redirect rivers, the planet responds with storms, droughts, and earthquakes. Maybe that's its way of reminding us who's actually in charge. So next time you look at the sky or breathe in the smell of rain, remember, our planet isn't just a floating stone in the void. It's a vast, ancient organism, alive and filled with secrets we've only begun to uncover.